Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your go-to channel for all things travel. Today, we're setting our sights on Europe, diving into the top 5 romantic getaways that this diverse and vibrant continent has to offer. We'll be exploring the timeless charm of Paris, the enchanting waterways of Venice, the breathtaking beauty of Santorini, the fairy tale allure of Bruges, and the historic grandeur of Prague. So buckle up as we embark on this romantic journey together. Our first stop is none other than Paris, the city of love. Paris, with its timeless charm, is a city that has inspired countless love stories. The city's beautiful architecture, from the iconic Eiffel Tower to the charming streets of Montmartre, provides a picturesque backdrop to a romantic getaway. Imagine strolling hand in hand along the Seine, beneath a sky painted with hues of a setting sun, or perhaps sharing a warm croissant at a quaint cafe nestled in the heart of the city. The intimate Parisian cafes are not just about the coffee, they are a way of life, a place to sit and watch the world go by. Did you know Paris was not always called Paris? It was originally a Roman city called Lutetia, and the Eiffel Tower, the symbol of love, was initially disliked by many Parisians when it was built. Now, it's unimaginable to think of Paris without its Iron Lady. Paris is not just a city, it's an experience. It's the whispered conversations in candlelit bistros, the soft rustling of pages in old bookshops, the echo of laughter from a nearby carousel. This is Paris, a city that whispers love in your ears. With its enchanting cityscape, Paris truly earns its title as the city of love. Next, we sail to Venice, the city of canals. This enchanting Italian gem, resting on a lagoon, is like a dream woven from water and stone. The city is a constellation of 118 islands, stitched together by more than 400 bridges. Imagine a city where roads are replaced by shimmering waterways and cars by gondolas. Venice is a city that is as good as a romantic poem. The very air here seems to whisper sweet nothings. The gondolas seem to sway to the melody of love, and the canals tell tales of timeless romance. A gondola ride through the Grand Canal, under the Bridge of Sighs, is nothing short of a love-soaked adventure. The waterways are the city's arteries, pulsating with life and history. Speaking of history, Venice is a treasure trove. The city is home to opulent palaces and historic churches, each a testament to its rich past. St. Mark's Basilica, the Doge's Palace, and the Rialto Bridge are just a few landmarks that add to the city's majestic skyline. And when the sun dips below the horizon, the city transforms into a mystical wonderland. The canals shimmer in the moonlight, and the city seems to be caught in a beautiful dance between the past and the present. Venice, with its unique charm, is sure to steal your heart away. From the canals, we move to the island of love, Santorini. This gem of the Aegean Sea is a symphony of breathtaking views that will leave you mesmerized. Immerse in the sight of whitewashed buildings clinging to the hillside, their blue domes reflecting the azure sky, creating a perfect harmony with the surrounding seascape. Santorini, originally a volcanic island, is now a romantic oasis that has stolen the hearts of many. Its unique geological history has shaped the island into a breathtaking panorama, unlike any other place on Earth. The spectacular caldera, a remnant of a volcanic eruption, now cradles the deep blue sea, adding to the island's allure. The sunsets in Santorini are something of a legend. As the sun dips into the Aegean, the sky is painted with hues of pink, orange, and red, casting a warm glow on the whitewashed buildings, creating a scene straight out of a dream. The island's charm is not just skin deep. Its rich history, vibrant culture, and the warm hospitality of its people make it a beloved destination. Explore quaint little shops selling local handicrafts, enjoy a glass of local wine as you watch the sunset, or simply lose yourself in the labyrinth of narrow streets. Santorini, with its stunning beauty, is a paradise for lovers. Next, we travel to the fairy tale city of Bruges. Nestled in the heart of Belgium, Bruges is a city that has stood still in time, preserving the charm of the Middle Ages in its cobblestone streets and medieval architecture. It's as if you've stepped into a fairy tale, with its dreamy canals reflecting the quaint houses and the delicate lacework of countless bridges. Bruges is a city that whispers tales of the past. The Belfry of Bruges, a medieval bell tower with 366 steps, offers a panoramic view of the city and its surroundings. And did you know the city is also known as the Venice of the North? Thanks to its network of canals that once served as the highways of medieval trade. The city's charm extends to its gastronomy too, with Belgian waffles and chocolates that are world-renowned. And let's not forget, Belgium is the home of over 1,000 different craft beers. Be sure to savor these delights as you wander through the city's enchanting streets. Bruges isn't just a city, it's an experience. A place where you can slow down, breathe in the crisp air, and step back into a simpler time. Bruges, with its fairy tale charm, is sure to make you fall in love again. Finally, we arrive at our last stop, Prague, the city of 100 spires. This captivating city is a true testament to the resilience and beauty of European architecture. With its cobbled lanes, hidden courtyards, and the majestic Prague castle reigning over the city, Prague is like a page from a fairy tale. The city's old town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a spectacle in itself. Its astronomical clock, one of the oldest in the world, has been ticking away for over 600 years. Every hour, it puts on a charming mechanical performance that draws crowds from all over the world. The Charles Bridge, adorned with 30 Baroque statues, offers an enchanting stroll with panoramic views of the city. It's like walking through a gallery of Gothic and Renaissance art under the open sky. And let's not forget the Prague Castle. Standing on top of the hill, it offers an unparalleled view of the city and the Vltava River below. This historic castle complex is a symbol of Czech history and a perfect place to get lost in time. Prague's beauty is captivating, its history is fascinating, and its romantic allure is undeniable. This city, with its mesmerizing beauty, is the perfect end to our romantic journey. And that concludes our journey through the top 5 romantic getaways in Europe. We've roamed through Paris, Venice, Santorini, Bruges, and Prague. Consider these destinations for your next romantic escapade. Thank you for joining us on this journey. You've been watching Traveling Kangaroo. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel content and visit our website, travelingkangaroo.com. Until next time, happy travels.